In this video, I'll show you how to add names, servers in Cloudflare to boost your site's performance and security. First, log into your Cloudflare dashboard and select your domain. On the Overview tab, you will see the section labeled Replace with Cloudflare's name servers. Copy the two name servers Cloudflare provides. Make sure you keep them exactly as shown. Next, head over to your domain registrar account. This could be GoDaddy, Namecheap, or wherever you bought your domain. Find the DNS or name server settings, remove the old ones and replace them with the two Cloudflare name servers. If DNSSEC is enabled, turn it off before switching to avoid conflicts. Save your changes and confirm if prompted. Now it's just a matter of waiting. DNS propagation can take up to 24 hours. Cloudflare will notify you by email once the update is detected, and your dashboard will show the domain as active. That's your confirmation the switch worked. For extra peace of mind, you can use tools like What's My DNS, Ditch, or NSLookup to check propagation. And that's it. You've successfully added your name servers in Cloudflare and unlocked better speed and security. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Cloudflare tips.